Ref is one of the most common errors in spreadsheet formulas. Most likely, your formulas were humming along nicely. Then suddenly this scary caption popped up, and you landed on this tutorial. So what is exactly ref error? Ref stands for reference, and means Excel cannot find something your formula is looking for. Here is what can cause ref error in your workbook. Deleting rows and columns, swapping rows and columns, cutting cells instead of copying, incorrect parameters in VLOOKUP, index, indirect formulas. Let us look at the example of VLOOKUP formula. From the syntax, we see that formula should pull data from column 5, which is impossible. Our table only has 4. So, we fix the column index and get the right value. Another common example is index formula. We have a small table with 4 rows, but the formula wants to pull data from row number 6. Fix the index, and formula is working correctly. Generally speaking, when you face ref error, check if all parameters of your formula are correct and referred cells or ranges exist. Follow ONLYOFFICE on YouTube to explore more about spreadsheets.